Hi, I'm Adam King, and I'm a third grade teacher at Daniel Webster School. And I'm going to introduce you to the book Animorphs, The Invasion. It's the first book in the series, and you're going to love it. It is fantastic. The story takes place in Anytime, USA, and it follows a group of five teenagers onto an adventure that will change their lives forever. They go into a construction site and they see an alien who winds up giving them the magical powers to turn into any type of animal that they see fit. This is a great book for a read aloud. I would use it sometime, middle of the year towards the end of the year because it's a little bit, there's higher level and deeper thinking in it. It really lends itself to reading a chapter each day because those cliffhangers at the end of each chapter really help the kids to want more and leaving them wanting more. It brings excitement to them because then they come back the next day and like, oh, what's going to happen now? Other ways that you could use this is use it as a book club and give it to 3 or 4 students and have them go off and set themselves a goal for reading. One of the things that I think would be kind of a really cool activity after maybe during this book or maybe when you're finished with the book is students would create their own animorph. What animal would they want to transform into? And that could lead into a writing project and, even an art project. We use the balanced literacy approach in our school. So, this gives the students the opportunity to stop and jot. There's lots of things to wonder with this book. There's so many different predictions that you can make. I made many, many predictions while I read this book, and they all came wrong. And I think that's an important lesson to realize that, like, sometimes you make predictions and they're not correct, and that's totally fine. That's part of the fun of reading. What I would do is I would have the students read, and as they usually the chapters are leaving you on kind of like a cliffhanger. And what I would want the students to do is take a moment and pause and predict about what they think is going to happen next. They can sit down, jot, put a post-it note in the book, and then they'll find out if their prediction comes true. Animorphs: The Invasion is a great book. It will be a wonderful asset to any school, home, or classroom library.